Welcome back to my channel. So during this video I am going to be sharing with you all what I received in my September and my October's Lurella subscription. I've been slipping on my subscription sharing because I really haven't been filming. Like I said in my previous videos, I have a new grandbaby and I have been enjoying spending time with my grandbabies because I love them like so much. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these. I will be using them in future videos, but I just wanted to share with you all what I received since I had not been filming. So I'm gonna start with my September box. The September subscription box is more of a fallish. You can tell it's a fall box, and it says make this fall your best yet with our pick of the patch eyeshadow palette. These warm orange and yellow shades are perfect for creating cute and festive eye looks to welcome autumn. Get ready to create all your go-to looks this season. All at once, summer collapsed into fall. Now I love fall tones. I love the browns, the oranges, for quick, simple, easy, warm looks. So let's go ahead and get started, and let me share with you all what I received in my September box. So of course, you know, you get a new eyeshadow palette with every box, and this one is the pick up the patch eyeshadow palette. You know, like this says warm orange and yellow shades. I love this eyeshadow palette because I'm into these deeper, warmer shades. But I love my purples and pinks, but I do like this eyeshadow palette for the deepness and warmness, and it does not have pinks and purples in it. So I do like how they put this eyeshadow palette together. And like I said, it's nice for maybe one shade, two shades. This is really an overall nice eyeshadow palette. And if you haven't subscribed to Lurella, I would recommend it. You know, if you want something, a new eyeshadow palette comes out every month before anyone else can purchase it, you actually have an opportunity to test it and use it. So that's why I love Lurella subscription boxes, because I love eyeshadow palettes as well. So that's really what drew me to it. Like I said, others can't purchase it, not on the subscription list or the PR list, but for the most part, and their shadows are like some great eyeshadows if you have not tried them. So the next item in my September box is this marble brush set, and I think this would be a great brush set to pack if you're a traveler, put in your makeup bag and just let it go if you don't want to take these big long brushes that, you know, we have and we use. This is a great travel set. I will probably get me a little tub with the lid on it and put them down in there that the makeup brushes goes in to keep them, you know, still firm and not bend up your bristles. But I do look forward to using this. I'm going to pack it and put it in a travel bag for me when I'm on the go. The next item is the regular mink eyelashes, and this one is in the style Marvelous. Just Marvelous? Yeah, Marvelous. They don't say Marvelous, they say Madeline. This is why you need your glasses, girl. Madeline. Now, this style is not particularly the style I would go for. I like more of a wispy long eyelash. So I don't know if I'll be using these eyelashes, to be honest. I don't know. I'll probably try them on maybe on the weekend, but I definitely don't see myself wearing them like to work. And maybe I can try them out and see how they look, because sometimes you can't go by the packaging and what it looks like until you actually use it. But I do want to use it first when I'm not really going anywhere, so I can kind of see how they look after, you know, applied. The next item I have is the iconic lip gloss, and this one is in the shade So Easy, and it's a nudie color lip gloss. Now I do love Lurella's formula in their lip gloss. If you have not tried their lip glosses, their lip glosses don't sell a lot too. They're another brand that are always having sales. So subscribe to their email list, and they're always having sales, like always having sales, which is a good thing too, because I'm always on there looking at stuff. And I don't really buy it off their website only because I received the subscription box, and a lot of the items are going to pretty much come in your box if you subscribe to it. So I really don't buy a whole lot of makeup from them because of the subscription box, unless it's something I really, really like. Now, I do love their eyeliners. The felt, you know, it's not a felt tip. Yeah, the liquid eyeliner. And I did receive another one in another past box from purchasing one. So that's another reason why I really just don't buy any of the items off the site when they have sales, because of the subscription. But if you're not subscribed to them, you don't plan on subscribing to them, and you want to try some of their items, that will be the way to go. Continue to check their sites. They're forever having sales. Back to my unboxing, because I can get carried away and go left in a heartbeat. So the next item is the highlighter, and I have the shade Road, and it's a pretty gold eyeshadow. God, get together, Shelly Poo. Gold highlighter. The other one I have is more of a pinkish champagne-ish, so I'm looking forward to this gold one. And I think it'd be pretty for fall when you're highlighting your cheekbone area with those deeper shade eyeshadows. Then the last item in here is a brush and sponge cleaner, which I'm interested in using with this little pad in the front of it. It's like a little scrubbing brush. And then you have the soap. I do like this container though. I do like this container. That way you don't have a mess and everything's contained in this little area, and your soap and everything, you know. So that would be perfect to clean your brushes with. Can you hang on a minute, guys? Okay, so I'm back. So moving along to the October Lurella's unboxing box. For October, the box is "'Tis the Season to Be Spooky." It's a Halloween box. And it says, "Our Witch's Brew eyeshadow palette includes every shade you need to create spooktacular looks, from deep purple to bright green and everything in between, including pigmented shadows and sparkling shimmers that will make every witch turn away." Okay, so in this palette, of course, the norm, you get a brand new eyeshadow palette. And this one is the Witch's Brew eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $24. And this is what the packaging looks like. I love the purplish bluish packaging. And the color scheme, like they say, is the deep purple, bright green, and everything in between. This is a nice eyeshadow palette. The color scheme is like really, really pretty. I like it. You have your purples and greens, because I do love a lot of purples and plummy shades. So I can see myself definitely using these purples in here and the greens. This is a nice color scheme that matches the packaging. And again, this is the Witch's Brew eyeshadow palette. And then I have 3 brushes that came in the box. And this is more of a, look like a setting powder type brush. They have some great brushes too. And a blending brush and a setting powder brush. So I received 3 brushes in my box, but it says 2 on the insert, but I received 3. The next one is a beauty sponge from Lurella, and it has a soap cleaner in the bottom. And I do have another one of these. I have not used it yet, so I think I'm going to leave this on my vanity so I can get some use out of the sponges. I've never tried the sponges. Like I said, I received the thick brown one, nude one, in one of my other boxes. So I'm going to leave this out. And then I have the liquid lipstick. And this is another good item from Lurella. I'm not a really liquid lipstick person because of the dryness. Like, now my lips are like, not super dry, but I like them more glossy and moisturized. But it's doing for now. But I'm not a really matte type girl. But I used it today. This one is in the shade Velvet. And it appears to be a more creamier style lipstick instead of a more matte lipstick. So I think it's more of a, like a little glossy type lipstick. I don't think it's a full matte lipstick. And like I said, this one retails for $10. And then I have Active Color. I'm not sure what an Active Color is. I don't know if it's this gel liner type thing I see a lot of people use, but it's in the shade Lavender. Well, it looks lavender, but it is in, yeah, Lavender Dreams. I've never used this type. I don't even know how to use it, to be honest with you. If you have some suggestions and you know how to use this Active Color stuff, let me know. I'm going to have to look up some videos and see how, you know, people use it, because it's really dry. and it comes right out of the package. It feels chalky. So again, I don't know how to use it, never used it, but I will look some videos up and see how to use it. And if you know how to use it, let me know in the comment section below if you're familiar with these active colors. And the last item are 3D mink eyelashes. Now this is my style. Wispy, long, feathered out. And this one is in the style Exclusive. Now I like that. That's my kind of lash. So I can definitely see myself using these. I would definitely be using these. So that is what I received in my September and October Lurella subscription boxes. I'm hoping my November come a little sooner because the other thing I noticed that the boxes have been coming like the middle of the month, like the 18th, close to the 20th. I think that's kind of why I, besides me not really filming, I wasn't able to really just share them as earlier in the month as I normally have. They've been coming a little bit later. So I'm hoping my November box comes a little bit sooner than these boxes have been coming. So I can share it with you all what I received and do a try on. So if you are subscribed to Lurella, let me know what you received in your box. Again, this active colors, if you know how to use it, let me know, because I do not know how to use it. Never used it. Don't even know where to start with using it. But I'm definitely interested in knowing how and learning how to use it. So that concludes both boxes. And again, I hope I get my November one so I can share a little earlier. So if you have not done so already, please comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.